Hello, today I'm in Opel Insignia. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To use cruise control, firstly accelerate to desired speed and then press this button. Now when cruise control is enabled, press set button to activate it. Now you can increase the speed by pressing rest plus, decrease it by pressing set minus, pause by pressing this button, start over by pressing set minus, and you can disable cruise control by pressing this button on the bottom. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.